ऐसा कहते हैं कि books don't just tell stories, rather they create stories inside us. And today our campus, yani CGC University Mohali, is filled with thousands of books, यानी ढेर सारी कहानियाँ. Hello and welcome, this is Sunidhi from CGC University Mohali, जहाँ हर कोने में एक नई कहानी है. And every story is having its own heartbeat today in our campus. So we are hosting Sahityam 2026, which is India's biggest literature festival and of course a celebration of ideas, minds and the power of literature. Day 1 of Sahityam 2026 is truly inspiring. We are joined by celebrated voices like Pankhuri Gidwani, Navjot Randhawa, Umang Jindal, Anish Kanjewal and Yash Tiwari, along with distinguished leaders and Ashish Kumar Chaudhary.
हाय एवरीवन, आई एम पंखुरी गिडवानी. मैं यहाँ पे पैनल डिस्कशन के लिए थी और मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया थ्रू आउट द पैनल डिस्कशन बिकॉज वी वर डिस्कसिंग फ्रॉम लिटरेचर टू लीडरशिप.
Navjot Randhawa, thank you so much CGC University for inviting me for Sahityam 2026. बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ आके.
हमने इस फेस्टिवल में लिटरेचर के बारे में बहुत बातचीत की, कम्युनिकेशन के बारे में बहुत बातचीत की, बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली हमने बात की ज़िंदगी के उन पहलुओं के बारे में जो कि आपको करते हैं मोटिवेट और जो कि आपके कॉन्फिडेंस को करते हैं क्रिएट.
हाय, मैं आशीष कुमार चौधरी. मैं एक स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन हूँ, तो मेरी उम्मीद यही रही है कि स्पोर्ट्स में आप और बेटर करें और जो है एक नई ऊंचाई में पहुँचे.
My gratitude to CGC University and those who had invited me. It had been really a great honor.
We are also honored to welcome Kiran Bedi ma'am to the literature celebration. Let us know what she has to say about literature and storytelling. I think 1972 was the year when you became the IPS officer. So over the years, what do you think the system has changed or the mindset of Indian families have changed? ज़्यादा बदलाव किसमें आपको लगा?
The world has changed.
Okay, ma'am.
And change is the law.
Yes.
It's a law. Growth is optional. Choose wisely. So the point here is change is the law. And change, if things don't change, it stagnates. And it decays.
Yep.
So change means, as long as change is towards positive growth.
So ये जो साहित्यम 2026 है, this not only revolves around literature but also patriotism. Why? Because the honorable management of our campus, यानी CGC University Mohali का जो पूरा campus है, हमारी management है, we align with the vision and mission of our Prime Minister, our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. That is Viksit Bharat 2047. And this is why the Honorable CM of Haryana, Nayab Singh Saini ji, is coming to our campus to ignite Viksit Bharat Sankalp Jyoti. और ये हम सभी के लिए बहुत ही गर्व की बात है. This is going to be a very special moment for all the CGCians and we are looking forward to it because he is all here to inspire the youth, to inspire the nation, to inspire CGC. So who told you that Sahityam 2026 is only literature? It is fun, it is live concert. As you can see, by one and only, this singer you know from the Rising Star, one and only the fearless Afsana Khan.
इस फूल ते कदे उस फूल ते यार मेरा तितलियां वर्गा.
Alright, so yesterday night was a full musical night with Afsana Khan and hello and welcome again to day 2 of Sahityam 2026. और day 2 और भी special होने वाला है. Why? Because this day we are having even more excitement. The conversations are going to be even more deeper and you are going to witness a lot of renowned celebrities. The guests for the day 2, we have our B.N. Sharma, Bunty Vans, Jaspreet Jassi, Malkeet Rawny, Jagdeep Singh, Zoya Afroz, Raj Kundra, Madhur Bhandarkar. CGC University mein, how are you feeling so far? You had interaction with the students, so how does it feel?
It feels amazing. I feel like they welcomed me with such warmth and so much love.
I just want to ask कि जो हमारी youth है, Gen Z की अगर बात करें, they are into constant comparison. You know, so what do you have to say about that?
I think it has come mostly because of social media, the comparison bit, because I don't remember when I was growing up, there was not so much of comparison when it came to our skills or talent or even our looks. Itna comparison nahi tha. Everyone was good in their own way.
So please welcome the Padma Shri awardee, Mr. Madhur Bhandarkar, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
How are you feeling in our campus?
Very excited to come over here when I saw the great vibe, very vibrant campus, and people are very excited and I had great interaction with the students.
So Sahityam 2026 is not only National Literature Festival, we have some competitions happening in our campus for the students, and that are live canvas, videography, photography and so much more. So this is an opportunity for all the students, so stay tuned for more updates. So Sahityam 2026 is not only literature, books, but also we have a cafe, very special cafe for the students, and I'm going to enjoy this pastry. So this was Sahityam 2026, and as we come close to this National Literature Festival, our thoughts are very awakened. And aap sabne witness kiya a lot of stories, lot of thousands of books, Sufi nights, competitions and what not. So I thank you all on the behalf of entire CGC University Mohali for being a part of Sahityam 2026. So you keep your story alive. Until next time, this is Sunidhi signing off.